Hey moms, Kenneth with Schnubs. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove crayon, marker, and permanent marker from your cabinet doors in case you have kids like mine who love to color pictures but not always on paper. So you'll see how easily unwanted marker and other marks come off this cabinet paint. Check out the video. If you have kids, they love to have crayons and markers. And for some reason they draw on your cabinets. So we have here crayons, my daughter loves to draw picturesque things, draw the house, some trees, and I'm not even going to try and draw a dog, but we'll do some weeds and grass. These washable markers that again, they love to just decide to draw all over the place. Look, Daddy, I made you something. Oh, that's great, thank you. And then last but not least, my youngest son, who is 2, loves to use permanent markers, and he finds them, I don't know where he keeps finding them, but then he just goes like this. And he draws permanent marker over everything he can possibly find. So I have found that my own cabinets and my own furniture, I use Schnubs, and I'll show you why. Now, you walk into your kitchen and you say, "Oh, this is lovely, thank you, little child." And you think, okay, what am I going to do? What kind of a cleaner can I use? How am I going to get this off? And initially you get a wet paper towel or something and you start rubbing it and you see that it starts to smear it and make it go like purple or whatever the color is, and you're like, oh no, what am I going to do? So just spray a little water actually on this, and you'll see that as the water starts to pull it up. And we also love to use these magic erasers from Mr. Clean. They take this stuff off beautifully, and it doesn't damage your finish. So you can see how easily that comes off. And then all you do is take a rag and dry it up, and you still have a very durable, clean finish on your kitchen cabinets. Crisis averted. The washable markers, which funny enough, they're not really washable. I mean, they kind of are, but you can see that it does leave a little bit of residue. So again, we love the magic eraser. Just again, wipes right off. And this is gonna make a lot of you moms super happy, because now you got your cabinets, you don't have to repaint anything. Crisis averted, well bam! And now we have the terrible permanent marker, fine point, and your child's masterpiece. Again, we shall see. No, I'm just kidding, it totally works. But you can see it just takes it right off. Get a little bit of magic eraser in there with some water, and it's not going to ruin your paint. It's not going to dull your finish. Schnubs is resistant to several things, including permanent markers. Now tell me, what other paint can you scrub permanent marker off and have it come out looking fine? Schnubs.com. Crisis averted. Wablamo! Thanks for watching that video. For more durability videos, click here and subscribe to our channel by clicking our Schnubs button. Okay.